Today's stamping theme is birds, and joining us this week is Girly Nails 66, May Nail Designs, Never Naked Nails, and this is my design. Now I'll show you how I created it. Let's get started. Today I'll be using Sparkling Water by Hello Taco, Scattered Hello Taco Topper, Duct Tape Gray, Not Milky White. The base and top coat I use are by Maxus. These are my all-time favorites from Maniology to use every time I stamp. So we have the Ice Cube Stamper, which is super sticky. I really love this one. We have the Sticky Base Coat and the Smudge-Free Top Coat. The stamping polish I'll be using is by Hit the Bottle, and it's called See What I Green. Today I'm going to use Uber Chic Beauty's Stamping Plate Beach Please. I'm going to use some of these ferns right here, and the bird I'm going to use is this little seagull right here. First, I'm going to get the little seagull. Then I'm going to use See What I Green. I think I'm going to use this one over here. The images came out really good. I'm just going to clean up around the edges. Before I color it in, so I don't ruin the lines, so I don't smear them at all, I'm going to just coat him in a little bit of my Maxus base coat and make him into a decal. Now that it's dry, I'm going to color in some of the feathers. Duct Tape Gray. And this little spot right here. I'm going to color the rest of the seagull in with Not Milky White. I'm just using a dotting tool for this part because I could just go right over the top of the gray and I don't have to worry about being so precise. There we go. I'm going to add base coat to all of my nails. I'm going to polish all of my nails with sparkling water. This is a really pretty color, but I like the linear hollows with the scattered hollow top coat over it. Gives it more of a scattered hollow look. So I'm just going to put this on. Now I'm going to try to put the stamped images on. My bottle of sticky base coat hasn't been working lately, so I think these little decal ones that I make usually stick pretty good. And the nail polish might be still slightly tacky. Nope, it's not still slightly tacky. Oh, that Didn't come out too bad. Oh, we really need that base coat. Okay, these two didn't come out too bad. So we definitely need that sticky base coat to go on first. I'm just going over it with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. So I did use the sticky base coat to get the stamped image to stick to my thumb. Maybe my nail polish wasn't dry the last time I used it because it like wrinkled the nail polish underneath. But it worked fine today. And I'm just going to seal everything in with my Maxus Finito top coat. I'll just give it a really nice shine and I'll make the manicure last longer without chipping. So here is my finished manicure. I love how this came out. That bird is so cute. I've never used it before, but it's so adorable. I just might be addicted to using him on more of my manicures. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye for now.